What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This episode is going to be a little bit different than our normal stuff. We want to say Merry Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas holiday. And of course, Happy New Year. 2026 is going to be great. Today we're going to do a quick little walk around our shop, show you guys some of the stuff we're trying to get out of here in the very near future, and as well as going to talk about what's coming in 2026. We got some really great cars that we're going to be getting into our shop, as well as some new merch coming out. But before we get into what's coming out next, let's talk about some of the stuff that's been sitting around our shop for some time. So right now we got our twin turbo Chevelle sitting behind me. This car has been in our shop for about 4 years, which is a really long time. But this thing is super close to hitting the road. So right now we got it sitting in our clean room here. We got Boca Detail coming over here to wet sand and buff the car out. If you guys have been following along with this thing, we've had some issues with our transmission and getting this thing tuned, but we're super close. We've been working with our buddy from Poland. Polish Adam has been helping us get this thing tuned. It is running and driving. As you guys saw, I did have it out on the road. It's a little touchy, but it's close. So we got this sitting around here and we are trying to get this out to the owner. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a walk into the shop here. And we got our twin turbo 1967 drop top Lincoln. You guys have seen us do a ton of fab work on this thing. And right now we are just about finishing up all the little minor fabrication items and getting this thing ready for paint and body. We got some wheels that we just got designed. So we're gonna be getting those here soon. And this thing is gonna be transferring from a raw steel car into a fully painted automobile. So we're super stoked about that. We also are gonna be bringing this out to SEMA in 2026. It's gonna be sitting in the Hides booth. So we're stoked to be partnering up with them and getting this thing out to SEMA. We haven't been out to SEMA since 2021, so hopefully we're gonna be out there having a lot of fun. And we're gonna go ahead and jump across the shop here to our 1970 Big Block Chevelle. As you guys know, this car came from another shop. It's been sitting around for a long time. So we've done a ton of work, taking some steps back and getting this thing, moving along in the right direction. We've already got most of the major fabrication out of the way, like dropping our floor pans, all the modifications to our transmission tunnel, as well as our dash. We did some modifications to the cowl to get our custom hood hinges to work. We got our big block headers fabricated and fit in there. So the next couple steps we're gonna be working on this thing is we're gonna be getting all of our coolant system figured out, fabricating a tank for that, getting an oil cooler mounted in here, getting some wheels figured out, and getting this thing also ready for some paint work. We gotta get our Roadster Shop chassis sandblasted and get this whole thing coated. So we are not too far away from getting this thing fired up here. What else we got? We got our 1957 GMC. Been kind of sitting around here for a couple weeks, untouched. We are waiting for our spot to get our paint and body work stuff fixed. Like our tailgate got damaged when we came back from C10 Nationals. And then we also decided to fabricate some inner fenders for this thing. So we got the whole front end tore apart. We also got a new grill coming. So this thing is very close to handing it off to the owner. Like I said, we just got a little bit of paint and body work to do, and then we're going to be putting it all back together, getting on the dyno, getting this thing tuned, and getting it out to the owner. So we're pretty stoked about that. We got a couple other little turds in the shop, a couple other little things that we're working on. Andrew's over here working on this Chevy Nova. It's LS swapped. Our friend Doug, local guy, had a little issue with his transmission clutch. So we got a new transmission coming for this thing, and Andrew will be putting this thing back together. You guys have seen our Galaxy. We did a motor swap in this thing. And then of course we got one more little shop project that's outside. We have our 1970 bagged C10 Project Dinero. We have been driving this thing around for about a year and a half, having a blast in it. This thing definitely turned some heads around town. As you guys might remember, we do have a small block 350 in this thing. We're gonna be tugging that thing out and giving it a more modern motor. We have a LS sitting here at the shop. We just got a couple more components we gotta get, and then we're gonna go ahead, pull that motor out, and throw that new LS in there. You guys, but 2025 certainly went by real fast, but super excited about 2026. We have 2 pretty good special projects that we're going to be taking in, one of which also may be at SEMA. It's kind of cutting it close as we're already in January, so I think that only gives us, what, 8 months, something like that. So we have a I believe it's a 1969 C10 single owner coming out of Atlanta. It was a barn find. I really wanted to go up there and pull it out of the barn, but we're a little busy here at the shop, so that didn't happen. But we've been commissioned to build a full-on burnout truck, so kind of excited about that. I believe we're going to be doing an LS platform with a big blower sticking out of it. We got a Rep B chassis coming, already being built for the truck. So we're not only building that for SEMA, but we're also going to be using that truck in 2027, the following year, to travel around to do all the burnout competitions. You know, stuff like LS Fest, the Burnout Wars. So that should be a lot of fun. I believe we're going to have Andrew as the top driver in it. So we're kind of working with a bunch of people right now, picking up some sponsorships. And then we also have something also that's pretty unique that we've never done at our shop. We're going to be doing a body swap. A new customer called me, and he's got a 2024 Hellcat jailbreak Challenger. And he does not drive the car, but he would like us to do a body swap and put a 1969 Charger on that frame, that chassis, using all the components that are going to come out of that Challenger and put it in, making it basically a classic car with the bones of a modern day muscle car. So that should be pretty cool. We've done some a little research on the 2 platforms, and they're super close as far as length and width. And from what I can tell, it looks like Auto Metal Direct sells all the brand new body panels for a 1969 Charger. So I think that might be the route we're going to take. I'm not really sure yet. It should be pretty simple. 2 really cool, unique projects that we have not done yet. So I'm excited, not only for the projects, but just for 2026 on a whole. We got some new equipment this year. We're going to be looking into upgrading some equipment. I would really like to get a full max at our shop, so we may be doing a new layout of the shop and setting up like a metal shaping room. So that should be pretty cool. But yeah, man, we're trying to hit 2026 on the ground running. Got a couple days left of the year. Yeah, we want to thank you guys for watching our channel, for supporting us, dropping the comments, sharing with your friends. It does go a long way. Special thanks to all our customers for supporting us and making it all happen. Also, like I said at the beginning of the episode, we do have some new merch that we're going to be dropping, like this shirt right here. Blessed and Boosted. This is just one of, I think we got 4 new designs coming out. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that stuff as well. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.